Imagine juicy tomatoes still warm from the sun, their skins glistening with a natural sheen. These tomatoes are not just ingredients, they are the essence of summer captured in a bite. Each one tells a story of the sun-drenched fields where they grew, absorbing the warmth and energy of the Mediterranean sun. Freshly baked bread, fragrant with herbs, fills the air with an aroma that is both comforting and invigorating. Imagine tearing into a loaf, the crust crackling under your fingers, revealing a soft, warm interior. This bread is more than food, it's a connection to centuries of tradition and the heart of Mediterranean cuisine. A drizzle of golden olive oil, bursting with flavor, transforms any dish into a culinary masterpiece. This liquid gold, rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, is the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Each drop carries the essence of the olive groves, where ancient trees have stood for generations, producing olives that are hand-picked and pressed to perfection. This isn't just a meal, it's a taste of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Picture a table set under the open sky, surrounded by family and friends, sharing laughter and stories. The dishes are vibrant and varied, each one a celebration of fresh local ingredients. This is more than eating, it's a way of life that values connection, community, and the joy of sharing good food. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a way of eating, it's a celebration of fresh, vibrant ingredients and a way of life that embraces good food, good company, and good health. Imagine strolling through a bustling market, the stalls brimming with colorful produce, fragrant herbs, and freshly caught seafood. The air is filled with the sounds of vendors calling out and the chatter of friends catching up. This is where the Mediterranean diet begins, with the freshest ingredients and a sense of community. It's about savoring the simple pleasures of a table laden with colorful vegetables, succulent seafood, and the rich flavors of herbs and spices. Each meal is a feast for the senses with vibrant colors, tantalizing aromas, and a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. The Mediterranean diet is a reminder that food is not just fuel, it's an experience to be savored and enjoyed. This diet is about enjoying food that nourishes your body and pleases your taste buds. It's a balance of taste and nutrition, where every bite is both delicious and beneficial. Imagine a plate filled with a rainbow of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, each one contributing to your overall well-being. This is food that makes you feel good, inside and out. No restrictive fads or complicated rules here, just delicious, wholesome food that makes you feel fantastic. The Mediterranean diet is about simplicity and enjoyment, focusing on natural, unprocessed ingredients that are as good for your health as they are for your taste buds. It's a way of eating that is sustainable and satisfying, without the need for deprivation or strict guidelines. Ready to embark on a culinary journey that tantalizes your senses and leaves you feeling healthier and happier? The Mediterranean diet invites you to explore a world of flavors and traditions where every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and soul. It's a journey that promises not just better health, but a richer, more fulfilling way of life. Let's dive into the world of the Mediterranean diet. Discover the joy of cooking with fresh, wholesome ingredients and the pleasure of sharing meals with loved ones. Embrace a lifestyle that celebrates good food, good health, and the simple joys of life. Welcome to a taste of sunshine on your plate. The Mediterranean region, home to ancient civilizations, is a place where history and culture are deeply intertwined with the way people eat and live. This is where the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits and delicious flavors, was born. The vibrant markets filled with fresh produce and the sprawling olive groves are a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. For centuries, people living in countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain have embraced a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are not just ingredients, they are a way of life, deeply rooted in the traditions and customs of the Mediterranean people. This isn't a diet that was invented in a lab, it evolved naturally from the land and the traditions of the people. Farmers work the fields, harvesting crops that have been grown in the region for generations, while home cooks prepare meals that have been passed down through the ages. It's about using fresh, seasonal ingredients and cooking them simply to let their natural flavors shine through. The emphasis is on quality and simplicity, allowing each ingredient to speak for itself. The Mediterranean lifestyle is all about community and connection. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Meals are a time to gather with loved ones, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. Meals are a time to gather with loved ones, share stories, and savor the simple joy of good food and good company. This sense of togetherness and celebration is at the heart of the Mediterranean way of life. This shared culinary heritage has been passed down through generations, and its benefits have stood the test of time. From grandparents teaching their grandchildren how to cook, to families coming together to prepare and enjoy meals, the Mediterranean diet is a living tradition that continues to thrive. So, what does a typical Mediterranean plate look like? Picture this: a colorful array of fresh vegetables like juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and vibrant bell peppers. Add in some hearty whole grains like chewy brown rice or crusty whole wheat bread. Next, a generous serving of plant-based protein, perhaps some creamy hummus, earthy lentils, or a handful of crunchy almonds. And of course, no Mediterranean plate is complete without a drizzle of the liquid gold olive oil, rich in heart-healthy fats. Seafood like salmon, sardines, or fresh sea bass often makes an appearance, providing a dose of omega-3 fatty acids. And let's not forget the herbs and spices like fragrant oregano, earthy rosemary, and vibrant basil, which add a burst of flavor to every dish. Unlike many trendy diets that restrict entire food groups or rely on processed meal replacements, the Mediterranean diet is all about balance and moderation. It's a way of eating that you can sustain for a lifetime, not just a quick fix. Studies have shown that people who follow a Mediterranean diet tend to have lower rates of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. It's also been linked to improved brain health, better mood, and increased longevity. But the best part? You don't have to sacrifice flavor or enjoyment. The Mediterranean diet is all about delicious, satisfying food that makes you feel good from the inside out. I've seen firsthand how life-changing this way of eating can be. It's not just about the food, it's about a complete lifestyle transformation. The Mediterranean diet is more than a diet. It's a way of living that emphasizes balance, community, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. I've met people who've lowered their cholesterol, lost weight, and just feel so much better overall since embracing the Mediterranean lifestyle. It's incredible to see how these changes can lead to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. The benefits go beyond physical health. They touch every aspect of well-being. One of my favorite success stories is from a woman named Sarah, who struggled with her weight and energy levels for years. Sarah had tried numerous diets and exercise routines, but nothing seemed to work long-term. She felt trapped in a cycle of temporary fixes and constant fatigue. She told me that after switching to a Mediterranean diet, she not only lost weight but also felt like she had a new lease on life. The fresh, wholesome foods gave her the energy she needed to tackle her day with enthusiasm. She started to enjoy cooking and sharing meals with her family, which brought them closer together. She had more energy, her skin glowed, and she just felt happier overall. Sarah's transformation was not just physical, it was emotional and mental as well. She found joy in the process of nourishing her body and discovered a newfound confidence that radiated in every aspect of her life. These are the kinds of stories that inspire me and remind me of the power of real, whole food. It's amazing how something as simple as changing your diet can have such a profound impact on your life. The Mediterranean lifestyle is about more than just eating. It's about connecting with others, enjoying the moment, and living a balanced, fulfilling life. It's not about deprivation, it's about nourishing your body with delicious, wholesome food that makes you feel fantastic. When you focus on quality ingredients and mindful eating, you create a positive relationship with food that supports your overall well-being. The Mediterranean diet is a celebration of life, health, and happiness. Embarking on your own Mediterranean adventure is easier than you think. Start by incorporating more fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Swap out processed snacks for a handful of nuts or some fresh fruit. Experiment with new herbs and spices to add a burst of flavor to your dishes. And remember, the Mediterranean lifestyle is about more than just the food. It's about slowing down, savoring your meals, and connecting with loved ones. So put away your phone, gather your family and friends around the table, and enjoy the simple pleasure of a delicious, healthy meal together. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a way of eating. It's a recipe for a longer, healthier, and more delicious life. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Share this essay with your friends and family and spread the joy of Mediterranean living. Let's inspire each other to prioritize our health and well-being, one delicious bite at a time. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for it.